So again, your tutor is here to serve you. Ayan, another rule sa subject-verb agreement na naman. So anong rule ito? Ayan no. Kapag daw ginamit mo yung expression na the number, ito yung expression na ito, the number of, tapos ipapollow ito or it comes before a subject, gagamit ka ng singular form of a verb. Samantalang, kung ang gagamitin mong expression is a number of, tapos ipapollow ito ng subject, plural form of a verb ang gagamitin mo. O, paano ginagawa sa sentence? Example, the number, ito na yung expression na the number of. O, ito ha, ayan o, the number of. Tapos, ipapalo natin ng subject, latecomers. O, comers. Ito yun. Kapag may of, palagi ito plural. Is, small. So, ito ngayon yung the number of na expression followed by the subject latecomers. Your verb is singular. Kasi singular ito, ang gamit mo ay the number. Samantalang kung ang gamit mo ay ang expression na a number, ito maliwanag ito, a number of, ito naman yung expression natin na a number of, tapos followed by laptops. Ayan, basta merong of ha, gamit mo itong of na ito, ang sunod na noun yan ay plural form. Ito ngayon ang magti-take ng, ayan, are. Are, bakit yun ang ginamit ko na red? Missing. O bakit are ang ginamit natin dito? Kasi ang ginamit natin na expression ay a number of. A number of, palagi yan. Kahit na anong sunod mo dito na noun, plural noun, palagi yan. Na a number of laptops are. Ito yun. So, this is how to follow this rule at one of the rules again of the subject-verb agreement. If you know that this can help a lot to your fellow Filipino students, just share it to them. Watch and follow for more videos like this.